Welcome back to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Today, I'm showing you what spark plugs look like after 150,000 kilometers on a 2020 Toyota RAV4, and why replacing them with new Denso Iridium plugs makes such a difference. These are the spark plugs I just pulled out. Look closely at the threads, rust and corrosion. They were very hard to remove, and that's exactly what happens when moisture gets inside the plug holes over time. The electrodes are worn down too. Even though these are long-life Denso Iridium plugs, after this many kilometers, they start to lose efficiency. That means weaker spark, rough starts, and lower fuel economy. Here's the replacement. Brand new Denso Iridium plugs. Notice the clean threads and sharp electrode tip. These will install smoothly and deliver a strong, reliable spark. Old versus new. The difference is obvious. Rusty, worn, and weak versus clean, sharp, and efficient. Replacing them on time prevents misfires, protects the engine, and keeps your car running smooth. And once they're in, the engine runs just the way it should. So, if your RAV4, or any car, is hitting high mileage, check your spark plugs before they cause trouble. This is Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you.